What's going on, guys? It's Sarmo. Yesterday I received over 650 requests to shoot a video on Bitcoin, explaining the basics, how to get started. Now, I've been investing in crypto for about 4 years now. I don't know everything. I don't even know a lot about it. I just know a little bit more than the average person. But there are a lot more people online and a lot more sources that you can actually go to and learn about crypto, Bitcoin, blockchain technology, how it all works. And what I would recommend that you guys do first, before you even invest in crypto, is watch the documentary, The Rise and Rise of Bitcoin and Banking on Bitcoin. Both of them are on Amazon Prime. You might have to rent one of them, but I highly recommend you watch those two documentaries because that's going to give you the entire perspective of everything crypto, Bitcoin, how it was started, how it was formed, how people use it, and the future and where it's going. Now, with that being said, the question is, what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a form of payment in a digital way that you can pay for goods and services. A lot of companies that use blockchain technology, they create their own tokens for their own company that you can exchange and buy their services or invest in their company. Now, the best way to kind of dumb it down a little bit is, let's say you and your kids, they're at an arcade and they want to play the basketball game, but they don't take quarters. So you have to take your dollar, your currency, put it in a machine, you're going to get some tokens back, and because you have those tokens, your kids can now go play the basketball game. The other question I'm getting is, how do I buy cryptocurrencies? How do I buy Bitcoin? The easiest, simplest way is download the app on your phone. You can get it right in the App Store. It's free. It's called Coinbase. You sign up. It's just like signing up for a bank account. They're going to ask to verify your identity. Once you get through that process, it should take you no more than 10 to 15 minutes. Then you can go right on the app and you can buy Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. I think there's 40 to 50 coins on there that you can buy right there. And then when you choose that you want to sell it, let's say you make 200 bucks and you want to send over the profits, you can click sell and then transfer it exactly right to your bank account. Coinbase is super safe. It's owned by the Winklevoss twins, which are two of the founders of Facebook. It is the most secure online app for buying cryptocurrencies. Now, if you're a little bit more advanced and you want to do a little bit of day trading, then I would highly recommend using Binance. That's what I use personally. Binance is an incredible company, but that's going to be more if you're going to be a little bit more active. You save a little bit more on the fees than Coinbase. But it is a little bit more advanced, and so if you just want something to invest in, you want to let your investment sit there. You're not going to be doing a lot of trading. Go with Coinbase. If you're going to be doing a lot more day-to-day trades or even weekly trades, then I would definitely look into Binance. Now, a lot of people are asking me, what are my favorite coins? Now, there are over 6,500 companies that use blockchain technology, which means there's over 6,500 coins you can buy and invest in. Now, not every exchange like Coinbase or Binance is going to have all of those, but they have a big majority of them. And so for me personally, I like to be pretty safe. I am still an aggressive investor with crypto because I love it, I believe in the technology, and I see where it's going. But for me personally, right now, what I'm mostly invested in is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Chainlink. I'm not going to go into the details of why. I would just tell you guys to do your own research, look into the companies, and then you guys can decide which companies you want to invest and buy into. Now, one advanced tip I'll give you guys, especially if you're going to be trading this more on a daily or weekly basis, is you need to understand how the markets work. Everything, every company, every cryptocurrency revolves around the price action of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the godfather. It is the first crypto coin, and everything revolves around it. So when Bitcoin tends to shoot up, like today, it's up 20%, we saw a lot of the other smaller coins, they tend to go down. And the reason why is because the investors that are investing in these smaller companies, they want to be able to get in on the profits of Bitcoin going up. Now, when Bitcoin calms down and it will sit for a couple weeks and consolidates, what will end up happening is a lot of the investors that were in the smaller coins, in the smaller companies that sold to get on the Bitcoin rise, they end up selling their profits of Bitcoin and putting it back into the smaller companies because these smaller companies can shoot up really fast. And so that is something good to know. Bitcoin is definitely by far the safest. But again, my favorite crypto coins that I'm personally investing right now is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Chainlink, and make sure you guys do your research. So I'm going to wrap up this video. Now you guys know how to buy and sell through Coinbase. You guys know a couple documentaries to get further educated on. You guys know about Binance if you guys want to do some day trades or some weekly trades that have less fees. You guys know what I'm investing in, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Chainlink. And you guys just want to remember, this is an investment for the long term. The way that I'm looking at crypto right now is kind of like the internet 25 years ago, when no one really knew what it was, no one even knew what email was, and when it came out, no one really used it because they were still sending letters. But as people caught on to the technology and they saw what it could do for the future, when the mainstream hopped on, it went crazy. And I actually believe that we're still in the beginning. We're like in the third inning of what crypto and the blockchain technology is going to be for the future. So again, make sure you guys get educated. Don't risk money that you guys cannot lose, and enjoy your new journey in cryptocurrency. Peace.